Okay, so we've got the cross member is behind the transmission mount. So what I'm going to do at a later date is make a piece that I weld on to extend to the front of the cross member, and then the transmission mount will bolt up to that. And pretty simple, but I just don't have the steel right now, and we'll have to fabricate that at a later date. One of the moments that I've been longing for ever since I was 16 was one of these transmissions in a Corvette. There's the shifter. Ooh, ouch. That was sitting in the sun. Yay. And totally by accident, but it looks like it's going to be exactly what we need. Oh. Now once I hook up the clutch linkage, I'll have two of the three pedals working. Oh. Almost as good as driving it.